Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Rudy, Chef Rudy, and here today we're gonna make Escovitch fish. So I have my ingredients ready, half prep. Come along, let's get cooking, guys. As you can see, I have peppers here. I have my fish prepped already. We have some red snappers, some parrots. And I'm about to finish up my season, and we're gonna get cooking. Like, subscribe, and share. So we're about to cut some peppers. So I have some garlic, I have scotch bonnet, I have bell pepper, I got lemon, the onions, different color peppers, red peppers, just to make the fish look a little nicer, and some carrots and onions. So we're gonna put a couple of cloves of garlics in the pot. Some oil. You want to put enough oil so the fish could be submerged in the oil. Some allspice, a couple cloves of allspice. Not too much, we just don't flavor in the oil, guys. Just need a couple, just to make the oil a nice flavor. Season them. All right. They're fully seasoned and they're ready to go. Just dry season right now, it's on there. We use a little bit of mixed fish season in there. We use black pepper. We use salt in there. So we're just waiting for the oil to get hot. So we're adding our fish to the pot, and we want these to go nice and brown on each side. Nice and golden brown on each side. So I have some red snapper fish and I have some parrot fish. While that is frying, guys, I'm gonna start my mix. We're gonna make some fritters today, some codfish fritters. So I just grab a brand. You can make it from scratch, but grab this that's already mixed. And guys, you can make this easier. You just get your flour and make your fritters. Make sure they're not sticking. You just want the pepper to just give it flavor. You have a Scotch bonnet in there. This one's give it nice flavor. Ready for my fritters. I'm adding some scallion to that. You don't need it to be too watery, just gotta be nice consistency. And this is ready. Okay. And always make sure you wash your hands when you finish each task. Wash your hands when you change from touching the fish. Wash your hands when you change from making the fritters. Looking good, guys, looking good. And if you feel like you don't want meat, chicken, or beef, just make some fish. Alright guys, we're making some fried plantains. As you can see here, we got some plantains there. And our fish is getting fried lovely, getting some color. Guys, we have our vinegar, a little bit of sugar, a little bit of lemon juice. And we're making our sauce, some black pepper, some fresh lemon juice. Of course, get some meat seasoning there. Some sea salt. Okay guys, we're gonna put this on our fish now. There you have it. And we have one more thing left. We're about to make some fritters. Put some oil in there. I'm using vegetable oil. You don't want to put too much because they're going to take up a lot of oil. Remember, my mom used to make this. I usually love those fritters. So you're waiting for your oil to get hot. You see, you got a nice consistency. We got some saltfish inside. We got some scallion, black pepper, salt, and it's ready to go. A little bit more pepper. Make it a little spicy. Some sea salt. As soon as that gets nice and hot, we're just gonna drop them. So you just put 1 spoonful, guys. Put on that 3 at a time. So guys, I'm just making some garnish, and like you see, we have a tomato here, and you just make it some slices. Just slice it down the middle, straight down, and then you just sit it like somewhere you can manage, and you cut each pegs down, 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 down like that, and then voila, a nice little rosette, like almost like a starfish. So my garnish. And you want to put these so they can drain all the oil off. So sometimes old trick, just put them on the paper, hand towel or something to drain the excess oil away. Alright guys, here you have it. We have some Escovitch fish with some nice fritters and some fried plantain. And there you go guys, voila, perfect. Time to eat guys. I have some nice avocado on the side also, lemon, and we're ready to eat. Subscribe to my channel guys, share, and smash that like button. Welcome to Rudy's Kitchen. Thank you very much.